Harbor Freight's doing some more deals this weekend. They got 30% off coupons. This is going to be for April 25th through the 27th, so just this weekend. So for those guys that aren't Inside Track Club members, you get 30% off all items $10 and under. But if you're part of the Inside Track Club member, this is where you're going to get a lot of savings here. 30% off all items $20 and under. Now, this is going to be in stores only, and it's going to be limit up to 5 items. So this is valid in store and on in-stock items only. 30% off discount cannot be used with any of the following Inside Track Club memberships, extended service plans, open box items, or gift cards. Also, you cannot combine or stack the other discounts, promotions, or prior purchases, including Inside Track Club member prices, and original coupon must be presented. So limit up to 5 items, which is pretty nice. So for $10 items, you're going to save about $3 off, but for that $20 item, you're going to be able to save $6. So I got a couple items I picked out here for you guys that aren't Inside Track Club members. Here's the new item by Pittsburgh. It's the 3/8 drive spark plug socket set, 5-piece. $10 for this. You'll be able to knock $3 off, so it comes in at $7. These come in really handy when you're changing the spark plugs on your motor, or even like your lawnmower, anything like that. Also, found the Pittsburgh Pro Impact Joint Set. This is the 2-piece, another $10 item that would fall under those non-ITC members. Another item that's really nice to have in your toolbox. Pick this up for $7. Other items that might be worth looking at is stocking up on some Hardy vinyl gloves, maybe some of the work gloves here. Like I said, you're not going to get a huge discount for the non-ITC members. They got the leather gloves. We got some more work gloves here. These are coming in at around $6. Some other items you might want to look at is the tarps. So these definitely come in handy, covering up firewood, or if you're storing anything. They do have a few tarps here that are under $10. So that might be something else you want to look at. Like I said earlier, the real savings is going to be if you're part of that ITC membership. So we'll take a look at some of those savings. I pulled up the Icon socket adapter set. This is a 4-piece. So these are $16.99. So you'll be able to get a few bucks off on this. And then we're going to jump into getting the most savings for those ITC members with that 30% off. We got the 8-inch Doyle long nose all-purpose wire stripper and crimper. These are $20. So with that $20 purchase, you'll be able to save $6. So this will come in right around $14. We also got the Doyle heavy-duty ratcheting crimper. Another $6 savings there. And then we'll go ahead and scroll through, see if we see any other Icon pliers. So here are the 8-inch needle nose pliers. Be able to pick those up. We've got the 7-inch diagonal cutters. Here's the 8-inch 3-position slip joint pliers. Now down here it does say when purchased online. Not exactly sure what the price in stores are. So this may or may not fall under that 30% off. Over here we got the 11-inch long reach pistol grip needle nose pliers. $20. These are pretty nice. Got the Icon 9-inch adjustable joint channel pliers. $20. Get a nice discount on those. 10-inch long reach pistol grip pliers. Pick these up for $14. We got the multi-slip joint parrot nose pliers. Another item is the 7-inch inline wire strippers and cutters. We'll pick these up for $14. And then we got the Icon 12-inch S-Jaw quick adjust plier wrench. That's right under $20. That would fall into that 30% off coupon category. So few Icon pliers there that you'll be able to pick up, which is pretty nice. They also had the 16-ounce soft face dead blow hammer. Be able to pick that up for $14. We've got the professional mini soft grip pick and hook set. This is the 4-piece. Pick these up for $14. The Doyle 16-ounce nailing hammer. Nice discount on that one. Here's a Hercules item. So this is the 16-inch spade bits 3-piece. Get a nice discount on those. And then for you guys that missed out on the U.S. General mini steel toolbox during the parking lot sale, I don't remember it going on sale since that parking lot sale. Actually, my local Harbor Freight's just been getting their stock back in for these. You'll be able to save a couple bucks off on this. If you guys been looking to pick it up, this might be a good opportunity for you. Another item to look at is the U.S. General magnetic socket holder. This is a 3/8 inch drive. So this one's $20. So you get this for 14, and then they do have the 1/4 inch. Not as much savings on that because this is $16.99. And then if you are already part of the Inside Track Club member, the 1/2 inch is already marked down to $15. And like I said earlier, this is limit 5 items. So you'll be able to pick up more than just one item with this 30% off. They also got the US General Power and Air Tool Holder, $20. Be able to pick that up for $14. And then another storage option for your nuts and bolts is this Storehouse 30-bin wall-mounted parts rack. This comes in really handy to store all your nuts and bolts. Be able to get this for $14, which is a nice discount. Another US General item is the Ultra Grip flexible parts tray. This is the large one. These are really nice. Another nice discount on that. And then they also got the US General clip rail for your socket. So this is the 1/4 inch 3/8 drive and the 1/2 inch. So this is the multiple rail socket tray. This one is normally $20, so you'll be able to pick this one up for $14. Another nice option to store your sockets. So that's just a quick rundown of some of the items I seen on Harbor Freight's website that I thought were some of the top deals, especially for the Inside Track Club members. Like I said, all items $20 and under, you get 30% off. Limit 5 items, so not a bad pickup if you're part of the Inside Track Club member. Everyone else, it's 30% off. All items $10 and under. So just a quick run through, guys. I wanted to post this for this weekend's deals at Harbor Freight. Hopefully you found some value in the video. Let me know if you guys are going to pick anything up in the comment section below. Hopefully you guys liked the video. If you did, smash that like button. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Until the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.